So the next question is on your screen now. There is a line AB with length A. So let's say this is line AB and its length is small a, and it is divided by point P and Q into three segments AP, PQ and QB such that AP is equal to 2PQ equal to 2QB. Okay, so in these kind of questions, it is always very helpful to put a variable here so as to have sense of things. Okay, so if you take QB as X, let's assume that QB is X. If QB is X, then 2PQ equal to 2QB. Okay, from this equation, we know that 2PQ, what it implies here, these three are equal. This also implies that 2PQ equal to 2QB. And if you cancel 2 and 2 because they are multiples here, this means that PQ is equal to QB. Okay, this is one thing which we can see. So that means PQ is also how much? PQ is also X. And AP is equal to 2PQ. So it will be AP will be 2X. AP shall be 2X. Now there are two questions which are there. The distance between point A and midpoint of QB. So QB is how much? QB is X. So midpoint is something which divides it into two parts. So this midpoint, let's say, is L. So QL will be X by 2 and LB will also be X by 2. So this distance would be X by 2 from here to here. QL would be how much? QL equal to LB equal to X divided by 2. Okay, so it is asking you to calculate the distance from A to L. Okay, midpoint of QB. So from this equation we know that AP is 2X, PQ is X, and this is X by 2. So we know that AP is X, AP is 2X. So we have to find AL. Part A of the question is find AL. And AL is how much? AL is AP plus PQ plus QL. And this shall be equal to AP is, we reduce here 2X, PQ is X plus here, sorry I missed the plus, it's a plus here, and QL is X by 2. Okay, and if you take a LCM of X, it becomes 4X plus 2X plus X, which is 7X by 2. Okay, now what is X? So we know that this whole summation is AP plus PQ plus QB. So we know AP plus PQ plus QB is how much? AP plus PQ plus QB is small a. This is given in the question. And we have AP is 2X plus PQ is X plus QB is X is equal to A. So this is how much? 4X equal to A, and X is A by 4. Okay, X is A by 4. So AL will be 7 is 7X by 2. We found it 7X by 2. So it will be 7 into a by 4 by 2. If you simplify it, it will become 7a by 8. So this is AL. That is the first part of the question. Now the second part says the distance between midpoints of AP and QB. AP and QB. So QB midpoint we said L. AP midpoint, AP is 2x, so AP midpoint would be x. Okay, so if you add, this was 2x, so if I call it, I'll call it M. So AM will be x and MP will also be x. Why? Because AP is 2x, AP is 2x, okay, and it is a midpoint, so MP will be x, and thereby what shall happen? We have to find the distance between M and L. So this is x, PQ is also x, PQ is x, and this is x by 2. So ML equal to, this is x, MP plus PQ plus QL. This is equal to x plus PQ is also x, if you see here x, plus QL equal to x by 2. And if you solve this, it becomes 5x by 2. And x we said is a by 4. So you substitute x here, a by 4. So 5 by 2 into a by 4. This shall be 5a by 8. So this is the second answer. 5a by 8 and 7a by 8. So these are the two answers.